feeding into the system from the Keys all the way up through Miami-Dade County. The oranges, the reds on the radar. That shows us where the worst of the rain is right now. And right now, there's no sign of it letting up anytime soon. Todd?
All right, thanks, Kelly. Hey, plenty more ahead here on this extended edition of Weather Center Live. Dr. Forbes is back with a look at some of the areas at greatest risk for severe weather and tornadoes. Also check in again at, say, South Florida. There's a look over the banks, the Charles River, still slowing things down in Boston.
Currently in our area, 98 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies with scattered thunderstorms during the evening. Low 77. And on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies early will become partly cloudy later in the day. High 94. And Saturday night, partly cloudy skies during the evening will give way to cloudy skies overnight. Low 77. Our week ahead.
Listen up across the Northeast from D.C. to New York City up to Boston. And kind of a nasty Friday as what's left of Andrea moves up the coast. Coming up, we'll take a look ahead to see what these storms mean for your weekend. From the Weather Channel headquarters in Atlanta, you're watching Weather Center Live. Thanks so much for checking in with us for this extended edition of Weather Center Live. I'm Todd Santos.
And I'm Kelly Cass. As of the 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, Andrea becomes post-tropical, so no longer officially a tropical storm, but it continues to bring heavy rain up and down the East Coast.
And we also still have that tornado chance for parts of North Carolina, Maryland, and Virginia. We'll check in with Dr. Greg Forbes on the severe weather chances, but first, let's get you to the very latest of what's left of Andrea. For that, we bring in our storm specialist, Dr. Greg Postel. And Dr. Greg, I'm curious, we're still, again, seeing some pretty big numbers as far as winds from the Hurricane Center. Is that mainly off the coastline or right along the edge?
Yeah, Todd, that's exactly right. I mean, I've been looking at the observations on land right now over North Carolina, Virginia, anywhere near where the center is, and they're light. They're less than 20 miles per hour. The strongest winds, you're right, are offshore, well removed from the center, hundreds of miles.